Colon health plays a vital role in our overall well-being, and this becomes even more important as we get older. For seniors, maintaining a clean and healthy colon can contribute to better digestion, increased energy, and even a stronger immune system. With age, our bodies change, and so do the mechanisms that help us process food and eliminate waste. Factors like reduced physical activity, changes in diet, and certain medications can lead to constipation and other digestive challenges. Thankfully, nature provides us with simple, gentle solutions that can make a world of difference. Today, let's discover the best natural drinks to help cleanse the colon, specifically with seniors in mind. Let's start with one of the simplest and most accessible, warm lemon water. Squeezing the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water and drinking it first thing in the morning is a time-honored tradition in many cultures. Lemon is naturally rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help kickstart the digestive system each day. The acidity of lemon juice acts as a gentle stimulant, encouraging bowel movements, flushing out toxins, and supporting the liver in its detoxification efforts. Warm lemon water also helps keep you hydrated, which is crucial for maintaining regularity. Dehydration is a common cause of constipation, especially for seniors, so starting the day with a boost of hydration and cleansing nutrients can be truly beneficial. Another powerful natural ingredient is apple cider vinegar. This humble pantry staple is packed with enzymes and beneficial bacteria that can support gut health. To make a colon-cleansing drink, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar into a glass of water, and add a spoonful of honey if desired for taste. This mixture can be taken in the morning or before meals. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to help balance stomach acidity, improve digestion, and even support the natural probiotics in your gut. For seniors, improving the bacterial balance in the digestive tract may help reduce bloating, constipation, and other common discomforts. However, it's important to consult a healthcare provider before introducing it regularly, especially for those with certain medical conditions or who are taking specific medications. Herbal teas are another gentle and effective way to support colon health. Not all teas are created equal for this purpose, but several herbal blends stand out. Peppermint tea, for example, has natural soothing properties that can relax the intestinal muscles, making it easier for waste to move through the digestive system. It's particularly helpful in easing spasms and discomfort associated with indigestion. Another excellent option is ginger tea. Ginger contains compounds that support digestion, reduce inflammation, and encourage the body's natural elimination processes. Preparing ginger tea at home is easy. Simply slice a piece of fresh ginger root, steep it in hot water for several minutes, and sip slowly. For those sensitive to stronger flavors, a bit of honey and lemon can make ginger tea both delicious and more palatable. Senna tea deserves careful mention as well. Derived from the leaves and pods of the senna plant, this herbal tea is a natural laxative and has been used for centuries to relieve constipation. However, it should only be used occasionally and with a doctor's guidance, as long-term or excessive use can interfere with natural bowel function. Green tea is yet another beverage that offers gentle support for colon health. Rich in antioxidants called catechins, green tea can help improve overall digestive function and support the body's natural detoxification systems. A cup or two of green tea daily can provide a mild boost without overstimulating the system. Moving beyond teas and vinegars, aloe vera juice is gaining popularity as a natural digestive aid. Aloe vera is renowned for its soothing effects on the digestive tract, can help reduce inflammation, and may stimulate regular bowel movements. Pure aloe vera juice should be consumed in moderation. About a quarter cup diluted in water is often sufficient. It's best to choose varieties specifically labeled for internal use and to avoid products with added sugars or artificial ingredients. Prune juice remains a classic, especially for seniors. Prunes or dried plums are rich in fiber and sorbitol, a natural sugar alcohol with mild laxative effects. A small glass of prune juice in the morning or evening can help maintain regularity and comfort. For those who find the taste overly strong, mixing it with water or another juice can make it more enjoyable. Let's dive deeper into the most effective drink for colon cleansing: warm lemon water. This simple remedy stands out for several reasons, and its benefits are supported by both traditional wisdom and scientific insights. Drinking warm lemon water stimulates the production of bile, which helps digest fats and move waste more efficiently through the colon. Medical research suggests that adequate vitamin C intake, such as that provided by lemon water, correlates with better digestive health and lower incidence of constipation among older adults. Experts like registered dietitians and nutritionists often recommend starting the day with warm lemon water for its gentle yet effective action. It's easy to prepare, affordable, and safe for most people, making it an ideal daily ritual for seniors seeking to support their digestive system naturally. Of course, any new regimen should be introduced gradually, and it's best to consult with a healthcare provider, especially for individuals with chronic health conditions or those taking medications that affect kidney function or blood pressure. Hydration remains a key principle throughout. Regardless of which cleansing drink you choose, drinking enough fluid every day is fundamental to colon health and overall vitality. To recap, some of the best and most natural drinks to cleanse the colon for seniors include warm lemon water to gently stimulate digestion and provide vitamin C, apple cider vinegar in water to support the gut microbiome and digestive enzymes, a variety of herbal teas like peppermint, ginger, and occasionally senna for soothing relief, green tea for antioxidants, aloe vera juice to reduce inflammation, and prune juice for fiber and mild laxative support. These drinks not only help cleanse the colon, but also contribute to better hydration, less discomfort, and improved well-being. Remember, these natural remedies work best when combined with a balanced, fiber-rich diet, regular physical activity, and mindful self-care. Regular colon cleansing doesn't mean harsh measures. Instead, it's about supporting your body's natural processes with gentle, nourishing drinks. Through small but consistent choices, seniors can enjoy greater health, vitality, and peace of mind. So the next time you reach for a drink, consider choosing one that cares for your colon and helps you thrive at any age.